Hey, what's up, guys? The Black Feather here. First and foremost, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Uh, Keep that in mind as we go through this video. Uh, all these plays are just things I'm looking to get into, so do your own due diligence. Uh, and I'd like to first start off with Generac Holdings. They're an industrials and building materials company. Um, So first of all, I really like the technicals of this chart. The RSI is trending upward after being oversold. So it looks like it's changing direction, gaining some momentum. The other momentum indicators, the MACD is about to cross over. It hasn't crossed over yet, so I'm trying to catch it early. The histogram has been ticking upwards. And then the other things, the other momentum indicators is looking positive. Uh, it's about to go over 20, so that's a really strong signal. So everything is looking good from a momentum aspect, which is what you want for options. Um, it looked like it just performed a double bottom after it broke out of this little channel it was traveling in. Uh, as you can see, it like bounced off of 396, 385, then 395, and then it again at like 399, and then it broke support, and then it performed this little double bottom. So I think it's going to get back to this neckline of 380. That's where I'm looking to get my option, and that's also around the same as the 200 moving day average. So that's a good sign. And then I think it's eventually going to get to 400 because that those support levels is now resistance. So I think it's going to get to around 400, and that's perfectly fine because that's going to be a very profitable trade from 357 if you're trading options. That's a big enough price action movement for you to get some real money. Um, and then the financials behind the company, the cash flow is really good. They've increased every year. The gross profit and total revenue is increased every year. They don't have a lot of debt, which is good because the interest rate hikes for the next years, they're going to like hike it 3 times. So you don't want them to have a lot of debt. So that's a good sign. And then um, the analyst ratings for it is 515, and it's a strong buy by 14 people, and all of them, not all of them, but pretty much a lot of them have really good ratings. Uh, like this guy, uh, Michael, he has a 20% average return, and he's 73% success rate, and he thinks it's going to be 32% upside at 470. So once again, I think it's going to get over to just the 400 level for options. It could go higher and continue to go into this channel, but I'm just looking to get in with the momentum. And then my next play is ITW, and this one I'm actually looking to get puts. So the RSI just took a dive. It really dropped a lot. Straight vertical line down. Um, it looked like it performed a double top. Um, and then the neckline is at 230, and it's at 238 right now. And then it actually has a gap at 235 to 237. So I think it's going to gap down from there. And then you also have this engulfing bearish candle. So that's another sign of momentum going the opposite direction. And I think it's could eventually fall down to like this moving average, the 200 moving day average at 226. But just to play it safe, I'll trade the neckline at 230. So that's what I'm looking to get. And then the momentum indicators, the MACD just crossed, the histogram is ticking downwards, and then uh, the stochastics is at 80. So it's just crossing under 80. So that's telling you it has a lot of room to the downside, even though it did take this big bearish candle. Um, and then the rate of change is going down. So this one I'm looking to get puts. I think this has a real opportunity to make you some money. Um, Stay tuned in for my next video where I'm going to talk about my winners with Uber and the other one, MO. Those actually turned out very good, and I alerted them the day before they moved. So uh, the black feather actually does know what he's talking about sometimes. so, so yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.